So but he's there. Others are across the country. Tomorrow he's visiting Inkosi Mandebele to go and break bread with them, and then they do work in Mpumalanga. Mine is the progressive tank, the academics, the student communities, and abantu who shape the thought system of South Africa. So I'm to come and meet you, not because it's campaign time, but because I'm also a student here at the University of the Land and the University of South Africa. I've also, of course, provided lectures. Angazi manje kulomsebenzi noma bangasamfuna nabo sengcobo isikiphe esihlaza. Angazi noma bangasamfuna kodwa indawo engikhonze kakhulu. So ukuza kwethu ke namhlanje is to come and show strength so that we can break bread and interact nani for 2 minutes. I see my friend there, Pagama. This is Dr. Rendani. Rendani is a doctor of construction science and engineering. He's based at the University of Johannesburg. He's part of Mkondo Wesizwe's Constitutional Review Committee. Kushuthi laba ababhala our constitution nokuthi kutshintshe i-constitution yase South Africa. Sesiyibhalile i-constitution esifuna isebenze eSouth Africa. Sesishoda ngani nje ukuthi nisiphe i-2/3 majority. Ngani ke uma sithola the 2/3 majority we can change the constitution. Ngicela uqala la ukuthi we have a voter registration ahead of us. Silenkinga ke emkhonteni ngoba abantu bafuna ikipa namagazini ukuthi we can't do the work because of our shortage of gazebos, our shortage of t-shirts nezinto. Siyakuvuma lokho. Kodwa mina ngoba nile group ethi esenza lento kuthiwa uMasibonisana, ne? Inento engifuna ukuni-challenge ngayo ukuthi what role do t-shirts play in the revolution? Nokuthi amathende enzani ku-revolution? Ngoba mhlambe leyo nto leyo yokuthi sibe namathende iyo-delay i-revolution ngoba abantu bacabanga ukuthi ukuba semkhontweni ukugcoba ikipa ezinhle nokuthi ube neskipa esine design engcono kunomunye, and that is the revolution. The revolution is a conscious thing, and i-revolution i-conscious ngendlela ukuthi awishiyi ngoba nginganazinto kuhle ukuhlanganyela out of consciousness, but into ye-revolution ithi emntwini umuntu omnyama kufanele akhululeke, and umuntu omnyama akakhululwa ukuthi usehlangene ku-structure esihle la kunethende khona lezinto ezenza umuntu afile ngathi I'm part of a collective. I-revolution ithi nginganazo lezo zinto, I must want to transform South Africa, and the transformation in South Africa is an economic thing. Kushuthi kahle kahle uma uzama ukutransform South Africa, you are not going to do it without transforming the economy. Kushuthi kahle kahle ukutshintsha kwe-economy ne-constitution yinto kahle kahle somkhonto sizwe ekufanele siyenze nalabo abakwagogo singabaceli ukuthi bagcoka ama-t-shirt ethu. Abanye sibayeke kanjalo ngathi bakhonza ngale kuleya nkonzo, but bavote nathi ngoba babona isidingo sokutransforma our economy. If we don't transform our economy, this is what happens. Uba ne-state esicontrola ngama-banks. Naningazi ke ama-bank asebenza kanje. Unless you transform the economy, ubhadala indlu for 19 years, uhluleke ngokulahlekelwa umsebenzi on year 20, i-absa ithathe leyo ndlu iyo-auctiona, omunye umuntu ayithenge nge-5,000, wena bangakuvumeli uthole leyo ndlu yakho, so ubabhadalile 19,000. That's the power of capital. i-Reserve Bank own ama-rights ukuthi bobani kufanele barun ama-business on what percentage, how the rand performs. As we are standing here, comrades and citizens, 97% of the Johannesburg Stock Exchange is owned by white companies. Lababati, there's a thing in South Africa called the township economy. They are lying to you. There's nothing called the township economy. Asinayi township economy. Abantu nabakhuluma nge-township economy bakhuluma ngokuthi ubaba uZibani unama-taxi i6 operate township economy. Ama-taxi owabhadala through FNB is not your economy. Nama-taxi wase-Korea nase-Japan othatha 5 years ukwabhadala is not your economy, because the means of production are not in the hands of black people. So uma sidila kahle the franchise of the economy, ushuthi kahle kahle kufanele si transforme from the start ku-Reserve Bank, si transforme ama-banks asebenza ngama-rates, singabi yizwe elilandela i-Standard and Poor nama-rating agencies anitshela ukuthi irand liwile ngoba bona bafuna ukuliwisa. UCyril noma atholakele nemali phansi kwesofa, irand al-react. Noma labantu uqosha abantu udlala nge-impeachment process, the rand does not play around. But Zuma inserts free education in South Africa and the rand changes, structure and the rand changes. It's because we don't have the rand. It's an external structure. If we vote, sisuse from national, change the Reserve Bank, put in the mandate of the Reserve Bank, change the order, trickle this economy down to the ground. I'm not company in South Africa. He serves without the mineral rights. I'm a mineral rights aid to finality. If you are here to mine, you must do it with black people first. And over 50% women. After you've mined, you close that, you must close that shaft. The minerals remain for South Africans. And after you've done making your money, you have a shareholding of 51% abantu abamnyama. Nina nanibuyela phesheya ngoba benze namathuluzi abantu abamnyama basala bamina in South Africa. Singumkhonto asimele indaba yokuthi kunamazamazane South Africa. We don't have a problem lapho. Ngoba ngekho ayikho into ekuthiwa illegal mining. Ngoba nalaba beze bazothenga izitifiketi bamine umhlaba kaNkulunkulu akusiwabo. Nalaba bazama igolide nabo bamine umhlaba wabo. So if we change the structure of the economy, we are a party that must revolutionize from national, starting with the Reserve Bank, starting with banking, then the markets, then the interest rate, and all fiscus companies. On what status and pedigree to the change of this economy. This economy, comrades, does a third thing, which is most horrible. This economy makes sure that izinto zidinga kakhulu ziyi-2. It's called education and healthcare. They make it so high that you cannot participate outside of the main street economy. And if you think when ufuna participate lapho, hlala ungabi nayo medical aid, uthi ufuna ukusebenza kahle, uphile kahle. The private healthcare system must be so advanced than the public healthcare system ukuthi uzozibona ukuthi you belong into the mainstream economy. Nangabe uthi wena ufuna imali eSouth Africa, ukutshintsha ama-taxi ebhara uzokufundisa ukuthi uyayidinga imoto yakho. Noma ungathi I don't want to participate in politics, uzokufundisa ukunethwa imvula ukuthi comrades, I need my own money and I need my own car and I need to participate in the economy. Umuntu othi yena akayifuni ipolitiki eSouth Africa unamanga, akafundiswanga nge-economy. Akunamuntu eSouth Africa who does not need to transform the economy so far as healthcare, transportation and education is concerned. The economy is so far from us that the private school system, ungathi ingane ayifundi la eSouth Africa. Abe zethi ingane esiyibiza thina free education, bathola imfundo engafani nabanye, bathola a subdued form of education, bathola imfundo engabenzi ama-participants, in the global economy. And we say ukuthi imfundo yamahala sinayo. Kodwa le ngane efundayo, ingane yakho, umuntu la eSouth Africa nengane yomlungu ebayofunda eVets asingathathi ngathi le ingane ziyalingana. Ingane yakho ayinambali kufanele ithengwe lamakhandlela. Wena usemabhasini nasemateksini nasematrainini uma ufika ekhaya ingane kufanele ibiphekile ayifundi. Awunayo iWi-Fi kwakho. Awunayo igiza kufanele iqale ibilisa amanzi nasebilisile ikade ezinye ingane bese yaklina bese yapheka bese late seyikhathele bese light ikhandlela oyenza ilight bese yaqala ukuyastadisha. Ngabo Michelle oyofunda naye eVets une-helper, uMichelle ufika adla ama-fruits a-refreshed, uMichelle ufika kahle abeka isitulo bese uvula i-laptop bese uyastadisha. Ingane yakho angeke iphikisane in a knowledge base noMichelle nokungathi wena uyakholwa ukuthi iquality ingane yakho nengane yomlungu ayilingani in terms of performance. Angeke sikwenze lokho singakatshintshanga this economy. And we won't be able to change this economy singakasusanga the lapradors of white monopoly capital called the ANC. The structural basis of the ANC was not to transform an economy. It was not a revolution. Yaqala in 1912 ngabantu abathi bona bayokhuluma nezwe laseNgilandi bazwane nalo ukuze babe ngama boss over black people. It was not to cause a revolution. The revolution is only starting now in South Africa. The ANC didn't cause a revolution. They sat with the apartheid government and they started sharing. Ukuthi nina nizophatha la will introduce you back into the system. Comrades, it was so bad but thatha upresident lo owabulala abantu eBuyipatongo bamenza usekela mongameli. They redeployed him into government. Bamazi ukuthi ubulela abantu bamkangakanani onguDeclerk. Nakaqeda uDeclerk before shona uthi yena he believes that apartheid was not a crime against humanity. Uthandi Modise uqeda uyamema to the state of the nation. Uma fika lapho uyamqabuza uqabuza uDeclerk uthangene and welcome them in the National Assembly. That's not a party that will cause a revolution. Akusiqembe leyoletha inguquko in terms of the revolution. Asiphumeni ke ma comrade uma WhatsApp group nokuthi kwenzakalani emkhontweni. Umuntu akaye emntwini, umuntu alanda umuntu aconvert wonke umuntu. Ungayibolanda asisinga ama comrade ngoba sithola igazibo. Igazibo ngosonto ebusuku siyayivala ibuyele eboxini. But the revolution must outlive the t-shirt and the gazebo. The revolution must change the life of the black person. Ukuthi ayise umntana wakhe esikolweni naye adle i-mac and cheese naye azi isushi ne-salmon. That is the point of the revolution. Now ukhuluma kanje bathi i-brigade ye-state capture seyiqalile. Akunamuntu ku-revolution okufanele angacapture i-state. The duty of all revolutionists is to capture the state. Asizabalazi nje ukuthi siyohlala in the opposition benches. Sisoloko siyaqula la ngaphandle siyazabalaza sithi siyaye ePitori mara bakhona abaphethe ingcebo. Asizabalazi comrades mahala ukuthi lento ngathi it's a stock fence sichazwa lento ukugcoka izinto ezigreen bese siyaqula, but we don't want state power. We want state power in order to hold the Department of Home Affairs, the Department of Correctional Services, the Department of Health. That is state power. You must capture the state so much that you even take the judiciary. Akunalizwe lingayiphathanga i-judiciary yabo. Ngoba kunamuntu who must rule against the masses of the people. Here in South Africa, because of the Chapter 9s and the NGOs, as a majority you can say, lo muntu lo siyamehlisa. And then the judiciary puts them back into place. Ukuthi lo muntu lo asimfuni. uRamaphosa uvumile comrades ukuthi bekathengisa inkomo. Bekufanele sime lapho. Singasabuza ukuthi zifike njani during COVID. Le mali beyingene njani it was during COVID. Did you pay tax for that money? How many cows did you sell and how did they leave to go to Dubai? That guy yena nakazothenga inkomo bekathi uzozithwala ngani abuyele lesingakafiki kulo mbuzo. Let ngokuvuma ukuthi as a president unelili business should kahle wena you are a farmer but uyanayidressa njengokuba upresident. You're not a president, you are a farmer. Bekufanele sime net lapho, but because of the judiciary yabangani bakhe bathi bona kwenzanga cha. So if you don't change the emblem of the constitution, you are not going to be able to transform South Africa. Ngoba vele NGO yomuntu oyiwani kuthiwa iHelen Suzman Foundation, iFreedom Under Law, zonke lezi zinto besithi we change what the nurses have decided, and then it doesn't function. The people of KZN gave us 45% comrades, but we're not in charge of KZN because we had an overwhelming victory, yes, as a new party, but we didn't get to the 50% line. And now they are teaching us in election terms, you must take state power or you must get out of the way. They are teaching us a lesson. If you don't want to be responsible for an election, get out of the way. We must either win an election or you must not participate. Lento akusiye eyokugqoka ikipa nokula. Into yokuthatha amandla ombuso. That's what this thing is about. It's about taking state ownership and the portals of the state in order to run the South African government and run it effectively. So what happened, of course, in 1994 was that these are the sunset clauses. The sunset clauses, we design a meeting yokuthi nina zonika imali, nina sinike lokhu. Na sonika lokhu ngama clauses kwasayinwa phansi ukuthi siyohlukana kanjani namabhunu. Those were the sunset clauses. Bekune bank in those days ebizwa iFalse Cash Bank. Imali yonke yathathwa kuFalse Cash Bank, ne yayiswa phesheya yofihlo. Wasala the bank now called Absa, meaning the Amalgamated Banks of South Africa, Absa land. They are inherited through Absa, ANC umithatha, a bankrupt state and a bankrupt government. Umkhwebane was the person who investigated this when she was public protector. Bamshayela logo namanje ukuvizitha leyo mali ukuthi uma kwenziwa lama sunset clause iSouth Africa yasala nani. So it was already a sellout mission. Yabantu abakhathele babuye emajele. Abantu aba-override ngamabhulu. Abantu beba-negotiate thoroughly nabantu ababhala i-constitution, uRamaphosa no-Wolf Mayer. Lo mngani wakhe lo asemenze i-ambassador to the US, uRolf Mayer, yibo beba-designer le-constitution. Lento le yommela njani umuntu omnyama? Lento le yommela njani umuntu wesifazane? Angeke zimmele. You know ukuthi noma ubanga indlu yakini, bathi indlu yakini idliwe ngama-Pakistan, you won't afford it because of Roman Dutch law. Because we've made the law inaccessible. For an advocate to appear at the High Court, he must be paid 55,000 a day. 55,000 a day for an advocate to appear in the High Court. Angeke ulunge ukuthi kunezindaba zakho oyozithatha uzibikise enkantolo. Kusho ukuthi bazokurobha uzufuna imali. Na unganamali eSouth Africa, you won't get justice. Uzohlala emaseleni uze uzwele umuntu ukuthi kube nomuntu okhulele obhadala lento oyidingayo ngoba the system ye Roman Dutch law makes the legal affairs encrypted, ibenza expensive for the masses to access. So ngoba yizwe elinjani nabantu bakhona bangakhona ukwamukela izinto zomthetho. As it is, noma bobana bathethe indlu yakho, you must go and get a court order ukuze ukhiphe iziqashi ezingabhadali endlini yakho. The court order ukuze uyithole, you'll make 5 appearances to the High Court. Ku-High Court kuappeara an advocate. Uyithola aphi i-advocate ngamalini ukuze ukhiphe abantu endlini yakho. We're not going to change South Africa unless we change the issue of the Roman Dutch law. It's enshrined in our constitution. The last layer. In the constitution, then the economics, the last one, kunendaba ye social justice. Amabhunu wasiphatha ngento ye social justice ukuthi give them theatre. Nase banikeza theatre, those people will vote for the opposition, the Boers, to come back. You couldn't tell me in 1992 ukuthi Helen Zille bekangaya ku game ye Chiefs ne Pirates agqoke iskipa se Pirates ayodlala nabantu. Mina nithi it's freedom and democracy. Uyaninibuliza ukuthi nijwayele ukuthi sonke siyafana naye wenza iPirates naye lo muntu ongabafuna abantu abamnyama yosula nathi kuPirates. The Pirates from Orlando, the Orlando of Winnie Mandela, the ones that the Winnie Mandela that they kept in prison in isolation in darkness for 3 months. That woman now must be made a similarity. Nalo Johnson was IDEC. that woman must be referred to as Winnie Mandela. We mustn't play with the democracy committees. Indaba ye-social justice isho ukuthi kune-justice that must prevail in the minds of people socially. Kusho ukuthi thina nasicabanga uku-socialize, sicabanga ibhiya. It's not a makeup